Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a mini Modelones polygel swatch, and I'm also going to just practice basic polygel application in today's video, just so you can see the consistency and whether or not Modelones polygel is right for you. I personally like it, and no, this video is not sponsored, but this is the first kit I've purchased on my polygel journey that I felt like it was easiest to work with. I like the formula, it's nice and buttery, and of course, I will link anything that I use in today's video in the description box below. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the polygel video. Now that the swatching is out the way, I'm going to begin by applying base coat onto the nails. It's raining, y'all, so sorry in advance if you hear the rain, but I'm going to take my tool, whether it's a cuticle pusher, wooden stick, polygel spatula, whatever you have, and I'm going to squeeze it on, and I'm going to begin dabbing it into place. And then once I have everything to my liking, I'm going to begin swiping to smooth it, if that makes sense. Now that application is complete, I'm going to cleanse the nails using alcohol and then begin shaping and filing. Once the nails are shaped and filed, I'm going to apply my base coat and my base color. And lastly, end with top coat. I'm being sure to cure 30 seconds in between each layer. Y'all, it is pouring down raining right now, and I'm doing my voiceover in my car. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything, or if you just simply like the polygel application, be sure to leave a like and comment down below if you've tried Modelones Polygel.